Hello, it's Miss Bailey here.
In these series of videos, we're going to be looking at how to revise. So this is our first introduction video, and we're going to go through an overview of how to revise, but also look at what our purpose of revision is. So one purpose of revision could be to check our understanding, so to remind ourselves of the material that we've forgotten, and then to be able to identify and fill in those gaps from our knowledge. But it could also be used to make links between different topics and see how this subject as a whole fits in together. And this helps you to reinforce your learning, and thus, with both of these combined, will help you to be confident with the test format and know what to expect on the day. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and consider, how do you study? And now ask yourself the question, why do you study in this way? Does this work for you? How do you know it works for you? So if your study methods are feeling easy, then that means they're not working. So a lot of people say that they're reading their notes, reading a revision guide, reading back through their book. But that is not an effective learning method, nor is highlighting or underlining. That's because they don't require much effort, and therefore they're not activating the correct parts of your brain, drawing out knowledge from your memory. What we're going to have a look at in this video is a few different sections to help us improve the way in which we are revising. So the first thing we're going to look at is planning our revision. So we're going to look firstly at a revision timetable structure, making sure that we know what will be on each test. So for that, you can get a copy of your exam specification. If you're unsure where to find this, your class teacher will be able to help you. Once you have your exam specification, you can then use that to identify where your knowledge gaps are and complete a subject audit. In order to feel confident about the exams, we can use past paper questions. And then finally, making sure that our revision is effective. So we're going to take a look in subsequent videos at active revision strategies that we can utilise.